AIRE stock analysis and AIRE stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play, my exact everything. And because I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. You know, it's taken me 5 years, so it's not like a small deed. You can see even in the Discord, I have previous receipts. And all I have to say is that I was very bullish, actually, like definitely look to take things further up. But I got hit with reality where the price never gave me the rules once, and two things, it just completely crashed. That's fine. You know, no trades got taken because no rules got met. And from here on, the only thing that I'll care about is taking things down, because it's the bearish market, and this will only really make sense from this point here if there's some sort of a double break. So I'm not gonna assume things, mainly waiting for confirmations. No sweat, you know, not forcing anything. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.